Mumbai, formerly known as Bombay, is the capital of the Indian state of Maharashtra. It is the most populous city in India and the second most populous city in the world. It's not just a city, it's an place that caught the hearts of millions. As the financial capital of India and the epicenter of the Bollywood film industry, Mumbai is a bustling metropolis that offers a rich tapestry of culture, history, and culinary delights. Famous places in Mumbai. First Gateway of India. This iconic archway was built in 1924 to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to India. It stands 26 meters, 85 feet, tall. Second Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, CSMT, formerly known as Victoria Terminus, VT, is a historic railway station located in Mumbai. Third Elephanta Caves, located on Elephanta Island in Mumbai Harbour, India, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for their historical, cultural, and artistic significance. Third is Siddhivinayak Temple, also known as Sri Siddhivinayak Ganpati Temple, is a famous Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Ganesha. The temple was originally constructed in 1801 by Lakshman Vithu and Devbai Patil. Fourth Sanjay Gandhi National Park, formerly known as Borivali National Park, is a protected wildlife and forested area located in the northern part of Mumbai. It is covering an area of approximately 104 square kilometers, 40 square miles. Fifth, Juhu Beach. Juhu Beach is one of Mumbai's most famous and popular beaches, located along the Arabian Sea in the western part of the city. The beach stretches for about 6 kilometers, 3.7 miles, along the Arabian Sea, offering a stunning view of the sea and the sunset. Sixth, Taj Hotel. The hotel was built in 1903 by Jamsetji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group, and was designed by the British architect George Whitted. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel has 285 rooms and suites, all of which are decorated in a traditional Indian style. Famous dishes in Mumbai. First is Vada Pav. It is a popular street food dish that originated in the Indian state of Maharashtra, specifically in the city of Mumbai. The core of Vada Pav is the vada, which is a spicy potato fritter. The word pav refers to the soft, fluffy, and slightly sweet bread roll used to sandwich the vada. Second is Bel Puri. Bel Puri is a popular Indian street food snack that hails from the state of Maharashtra but is enjoyed all over India. It is a delightful and flavorful mixture of various ingredients that create a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, spicy, and crunchy flavors. Third is Dabeli, originating from the state of Gujarat but widely loved in Mumbai. Dabeli is a spicy potato mixture served inside a pav with chutneys and roasted peanuts. It's a delightful blend of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors. Fourth is Ragda Pattis. Ragda Pattis is a popular street food dish from India, particularly in the state of Maharashtra. It's a flavorful and satisfying dish that consists of two main components, ragda and pattis. There are many ways to travel in Mumbai. Mumbai Suburban Railway. This is the cheapest way to get around Mumbai. The trains are crowded, but they are efficient and reliable. Buses are another affordable option for getting around Mumbai. They are not as crowded as the trains, but they can be slower. Taxis are a more comfortable way to travel, but they are also more expensive. Auto rickshaws are a popular mode of transportation in Mumbai. They are small, three-wheeled vehicles that are often crowded. The amount of money you spend on transportation in Mumbai will depend on your budget and how much you travel. If you are on a tight budget, the Mumbai Suburban Railway is the best option. If you are willing to spend a little more, taxis or auto rickshaws can be a more convenient way to get around.